Hey, what's up? I'm David with Roof Masters of Arizona. We're here for Miguel Preciado, claim number 0816190011 at 6413 West Klaus Drive in Phoenix. This is the shingle we're going to be taking out here. I outlined it in blue. So this is the damaged shingle right here. We're going to be pulling out. We have to break the seal right here. As you can see, there's staples in here underneath, so we're gonna have to pop these out. All right, we got the first row, and what's already happening is you can see this shingle's getting just trashed, and I didn't even lift it up more than right here. See, this one's already getting completely creased. There's a big old crease right here. There's a big crease right here just from trying to get the staples out, not even putting one in yet. We have to take this next row out. Oh, see, this just ripped just from my thumb right here. These shingles are extremely old. They're at least 15 to 20 years old. Pliability on them is really bad. All right, just pull out. There's one more, I'm still holding it. All right, so just from pulling that out, we got, if you want to come up here, got a big crease right here in this one. These are, you got creases all along the top here, all along the top here. This broke off. You got a rip right here, and this one's barely hanging on. So by taking just this one shingle off, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 damaged shingles that we caused just by taking this one off.